Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll share with you the most important questions for regular and backlog students of Universal and Human Values for degree 4th semester. Let us see the long questions. First question, what will you learn, gain if you practice renunciation and sacrifice? What will you lose if you don't practice it? Second question, describe purpose and relevance of universal human values. Third one, what will you learn or gain if you practice service? What will you lose if you don't practice service? Explain the relationship between love and compassion and other related feelings and emotions like empathy, sympathy, and nonviolence. What is love and its forms? Love for self, parents, family, friends, spouse, community, nation, humanity, and other beings, living and non living. Write about individuals who are remembered in history for practicing renunciation. Rama, Bhishma, Buddha, Mahavira, Christ, Guru Gobind Singh, Bhagat Singh, and Mahatma Gandhi. Write about individuals who are remembered in history for practicing the service. What will you gain if you practice love and compassion? What will you lose if you don't practice love and compassion? What is peace? Its need? Peace, harmony, and balance. What will you learn or gain if you practice non-violence? What will you lose if you don't practice it? Now let us see the most important short questions. Define peace, define true love, define renunciation, define compassion, empathy and sympathy, define righteousness, universal truth. What is peace? How can we practice peace? Define universal human values. What is harmony? Define non-violence, define service. Define propriety. What is nonviolence? Who are the people remembered for nonviolence and why? Define truth. List out 5 differences between compassion and love. Define love. What is truth? Explain its forms. So students, in my next video, I'll be uploading most important answers along with its explanation. So if you want the full PDF of all the easy answers, then you can contact me on my Telegram channel by supporting me, and you can get the full PDF that is made with a lot of hard work and dedication.